if you want to be a long-term investor, what are the things that you need to look out for? And I just want to focus on one thing for this video. When you invest in a company, when you invest in a stock, regardless if it's Ayala Land, Ayala Corp, BDO, it has to be how good, how amazing the growth of the company is. If there's one fundamental parameter that I want you to look at, it's the net income of the company. Your net income is basically called your bottom line. It's what's left over, all of the sales that have come in, less all of the expenses and taxes that are brought about it. It's very, very important to look at the net income, because if the net income is negative, it means that the company is losing money. You have a company that's losing money, it's negative, automatically you stay away from that. I don't also want a company whose income is declining. Why? If the income of the company is declining, it means that probably they're irrelevant in the marketplace already. No one uses Kodak film now. No one also uses Yellow Pages now. No one has bought Encyclopedia Britannica for a very, very long time. Why? Because they have become irrelevant also. Third type of scenario is you don't want a company also who's maturing, meaning they're still earning, but because they're earning a lot of money, they already saturated the market. They're not growing anymore. Way before PLDT dropped as a stock, it was already maturing for years and years and years and years. At 2013, 2014, it would have been a good time to sell PLDT because they were already maturing at that point in time. With that said, what's the scenario that I want for a stock to hold on and buy for the long term? I want a stock that has growth. I want a stock that's earning. I want a stock that's growing. You want its net income not just to be high, but you want it to be increasing. If the net income of the company is increasing, if you know one thing, you know that it's good, you know that it's beating out its competition, you know that it's still getting a lot of customers. How do you find it? Let's check this out. So this is how you check the net income of the company. So how do you find it? Just go to the research tab, click financials, and enter the stock or enter the company that you would want to pick. So let me give you an example of a really good company. Look at this. Look at Ayala Land. If you load Ayala Land, you will see it on the first and topmost portion in the earnings summary. That's the net income. It has more than doubled its net income in 5 years. Another example is SM Investments Corporation, ticker code SM. Look at this. As you can see, this is a good company whose income is increasing and growing. That's what we're looking for. What's good about this is it gives you a track record of which companies are good. You want a company that has a good track record of growth, not just now, but they have been doing it over and over and over and over and over again. So I hope this video gives you a perspective, that you don't just look at the company itself, the name, but it's very, very important to drill down and look at the income per se. You want a company whose income is rapidly growing, rapidly increasing. The higher the growth rate of their net income, the better. So that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo. I'm still in the Anbantayan. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon.